Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I have officially been self-quarantining for 4 months. I started self-isolating around March 13th, and I really haven't stopped despite things reopening, reclosing, reopening again. I'm just staying home. So while I've been home, I've been trying to stay busy and I've been trying to do good things for myself while stuck at home. And a lot of that has been in the self-improvement category. I have been flossing more. I have been exercising more. I'm spending more time with my dog. And one thing that I really wanted to do is straighten my teeth. I've been thinking, if I'm just stuck at home, why shouldn't I just be straightening my teeth at the same time? And so I reached out to a company called Bite, and I asked if they would want to work with me because I knew that they did not require their customers to actually physically go to an orthodontist or a dentist. And for me, that was a really big positive because I don't feel comfortable going to a dentist or orthodontist right now. I don't know when I'll feel comfortable going to the dentist again. I appreciate all dentist office going through extreme safety measures to make their patients feel safe, but I personally do not feel safe having someone who touches other people's mouths all day, touching my mouth, even if they're wearing gloves and all that jazz. So I reached out to Bite because I wanted to straighten my teeth in isolation without having to go anywhere. And this was the perfect way to do that. I figure a lot of you might be like, Sarah, your teeth are straight. And I know that they look straight, but the bottom ones are not. I had braces probably from 4th grade through 7th grade. And then I am the classic case of a kid who stopped wearing her retainers and my teeth immediately moved, and I have genetic overcrowding on my bottom teeth. My sister has it, my dad has it. And like I said, you can't really tell when I'm smiling, but you can tell when I'm talking. I felt particularly self-conscious about it when I did a TikTok a while back where it was just my mouth superimposed onto something else, and all I could focus on was my crooked bottom teeth. So that is why I wanted to do the aligners. I just have overcrowding on the bottom, and honestly, my top teeth are not actually super straight. They look straight, but a lot of these teeth are rotated incorrectly, so those are gonna be straightened as well. Anyway, I reached out to Bite and have just begun my aligner journey. I am so excited. It's been a very easy process so far. The first thing that happened was they sent me an impression kit. If you have had braces, you know what impressions are. They're that terribly uncomfortable experience of putting putty in your mouth to get a mold of what your teeth look like. You do that yourself at home. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult than it was. It was very easy to do on my own. And then you mail these back to Bite, and they use them to create your treatment plan. The best part about the treatment plan is that you get a viewer that shows you each week what your teeth will be looking like, how they will move, and what they will look like at the end of your treatment plan. Here's what mine looks like. And after that, you will get this beautiful box with everything that you need to straighten your teeth. So let's see what is inside. There's 2 boxes inside. One is a drawer with all of your aligners. So this has every single week of aligners that I will be using. And for me, it's 15 weeks, which is about 3.5 months. So week by week, I just take a new packet out and start using those aligners. You switch your aligners every single week. The other box is all of the accessories that come with using Bite, and they're very cool. First of all, they have this nifty tool called the HyperBite. It is right here. It is a U-shaped piece of plastic that vibrates for 5 minutes, and every night you stick it in your mouth with your aligners in and let it vibrate your teeth. And it is supposed to expedite the movement of your teeth and speed up your treatment in general, which is how your teeth get straightened so quickly. They also give you this nifty little case. My aligners are in here right now because I'm still lisping a little bit wearing them. I'm only on like day 4 or 5 of wearing my aligners, so I took them out for this video. You're welcome. And then finally, you have the Bright Bite cleansing foam. This is a foam that every time I take my aligners out to eat and then put them back in, I spray my aligners with the Bright Bite, which cleans the aligners but also is a teeth whitener. So I'm whitening my teeth as I straighten my teeth. So as I mentioned, I'm in my first week of wearing my first pack of aligners. It has been great so far. As someone who is used to braces and retainers, albeit it was like 15 or plus more years ago, I am very familiar with the initial uncomfortableness of something like these aligners. It feels very tight at first. Your teeth may hurt for the first 24 hours. I'm still personally getting used to the feeling of having them in my mouth, but it has gotten easier every single day, and that is normal. I mentioned I am lisping a little bit. That just comes from my mouth not being used to having something in it all the time. My tongue doesn't really know where to put itself, and now it's just happening. It's just gonna happen. I'm just gonna change my aligners every week and then have straight teeth by October, and I will absolutely update you guys on how it goes. It'll be painfully obvious if it doesn't straighten my teeth and doesn't work. Like I mentioned, I reached out to Bite to work with them. I'm gonna be fully transparent about whether or not this product works for me, and you will be able to see if this product does or doesn't work for me. So I hope you stay tuned, and I will do an update at the end of my 15 weeks. And we'll probably be sharing progress photos on Instagram, so you can watch out for those as well. Like I said, I felt like this was the perfect time for me to try this. I'm truly just sitting here at home and I don't feel safe going anywhere, so it was a great option for me to be able to do something productive for myself during quarantine and not put myself at risk while doing it. Still, I would advise that you at least talk to your dentist or orthodontist about whether or not this is a good option for you. I know that there's a lot of different dental conditions that someone might have that makes them ineligible for doing this. So make sure you have a discussion with somebody before you sign up. But if you are interested in signing up, I of course have, a special deal thanks to my partnership with Bite. The impression kit that I mentioned is normally $95 to do the impression kit and get a treatment plan back from Bite. But with my link, you can try it for just $25. So if you're interested in seeing, hey, what would my treatment plan look like? What could I do to straighten my teeth? How would it look at the end? You can, for $25, get the impression kit, do it at home, send it back to Bite, get a treatment plan to review, and see if you would like to continue with getting their aligners for just $25. So if you would like to try that, the link obviously is in the description box below. I'm super excited to get these puppies straightened out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you've done aligners, or even if you've used Bite specifically, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Like I said, all of the information is going to be in the description box if you want to try the impression kit for yourself. And stay tuned. I'm almost 1 week in, and in 15 weeks, check back at these pearly whites. Bye guys.